What's up, everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and I am standing next to pretty much the most custom Ford Bronco on the road today. Enjoy this video, and hopefully it gives you some ideas of what you can do on your own Ford Bronco.
Choose your character.
So we wanted to start off with the interior, and we really wanted this to be a nice and luxurious place to be. And one of the very first things we thought of was going through and really redoing every surface that you're physically gonna touch. And on the Bronco, there's quite a few of them that really are not done from the factory. So we wanted to hit things like the armrest in the center, the armrest on the door, but then we also wanted to go through with this really cool kind of camel-y color and then incorporate the black diamond stitching the whole way through. Immediately, the second the doors open, the interior pops, and on any custom car, the interior is just as important as the exterior. So on the outside, there's almost too much to list. The first thing your eyes are gonna notice is the custom wheels and tires. We're currently running a 37 by 12.5 wide on this guy. These are 22-inch axe wheels, and with the forged carbon fiber, it really looks nice. Now, the more that you look at, the more that you're gonna notice. You're gonna see copper painted accents through the entirety of the vehicle. You're also gonna notice fully custom badging everywhere. And the customization just begins there. Then you take a look at the side steps, and you can see the custom side steps. It's clearly got a lift on it, but there's much more. Let me take you to the front end of this Bronco and show you some additional stuff that we've done here at Empire Auto Spa. So here on the front end, you're gonna notice quite a bit done as well. The forged carbon fiber fenders look awesome, but it really ties in when you take a look at the forged carbon hood. Now, this is a fiberglass forged carbon combination. So when you take a look at the hood, it is not only custom painted, but we also put the custom stinger stripe in it, but left the forged carbon exposed. Another cool thing about this particular hood is that this hood is active. It's a ram air style hood, and here in the vents, it's all open. Also a really cool billet aluminum look up in the front. Now combine that with the custom front bumper, the winch, and all of the custom lighting that's done, and the front end of this vehicle really has a presence. It doesn't matter if you're into the new Bronco or not. This Bronco and Broncos that get lifted and are properly customized really come out unbelievably cool. Now, this Bronco in particular, it being completely done, I mean, it's just epic. I've never seen anybody mention anything negative about this Bronco. So if you have any criticisms, let us know in the comments below. But I'd be willing to bet for most of you out there, if you're into Broncos, you're into this. Now, this is an example of what can be done. There's even more that we could have done to this automobile, but we would really like to know what you would do if this was your Bronco. Again, for much more from Empire Auto Spa, make sure and follow the page and turn the notification on. And stick around, because we've got a lot more coming.